Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. So today we are going to be unboxing the Abeka Academy and accredited curriculum. So I bought the curriculum as an accredited, and the books arrived today. So we are going to check out on what it comes with. So the Abeka Academy and accredited would come with the kit comes with a, I mean, it's not a kit, but it's a it comes with videos which you're gonna be streaming for the next 12 months. And if you choose DVD, so you can choose either streaming or DVD. And I choose just the streaming because I don't want to have problems with the returns of the DVDs, and I don't want my kids to be handling those DVDs because they're probably going to ruin it and you would have to pay for it. So I chose the streaming, and there you go. You have to enroll your kid for the grade level. I enrolled my kid to 4th grade. So you can also choose to like do payments. You can use like a 10-month payment, or you could pay it up front. So my books arrived today, and we're starting on March 18. But I already have access to the video, so I'm trying to sort out the books right now and doing some unboxing so we could get ready for the school year. So this is the first book. This is the first reading program. You just take it up, and there's a really thick history book. I'm just gonna do a flipped through on what it comes with. So this is the history. So this is the history of our United States, Christian perspective. I'm just gonna kind of show you what it comes. It's really nice. It has a lot of pictures, and there's some like puzzles. I'm planning to keep the books for my younger kids, so we're really gonna try to take care of these books. So that's for our history, geography. There's maps, and there's a bunch of maps in the back. So that's our second book. And then our third book, Understanding God's World. It's also a thick book. This is the Science and Health series. Do a quick. Like some. So there's insects, birds, planets. So that's the science book. Then next we got Developing Good Health. I think it's easier to flip it through from the back, so I'm just going to do it this way. So that's the health book, and there's a health activity book. This is like the worksheet. I'm just going to flip through that quickly. And there is another health activity book. Oh, so this is the key, and this is the activity book. So, quick look on this. It's just gonna be the same. It's just a bare book without the answer. So let's proceed to the next one. God's Gift of Language. So the book. I would rather prefer to have like an unbound book, but this is bound, so there's the language book. There's understanding God's world and STEM activities. There's another health and science. There's a lot of empty things at the back for a journal. This is the arithmetic work text. So I've been doing Abeka for the last 3 years, and I've always did it. I've always ordered unbound. This is our first time doing Abeka Academy, and it came with a bound book, so I'm not really sure what to think about this. But here's the book for arithmetic, which is really thick. And this is, oops, so this is the history answer key. It's just answer key. The answer key for the good health book. It's very thin, so there's not really much to flip through. It's just answers. And then and the next one is the history of United States geography skills and continent studies. So let's see this. This is nice. So this is like an activity worksheet. So it has a lot of colorful pictures, which is really nice. And then got the spelling, vocabulary, and poetry. Poetry. And this is the history, geography skills study key. So this is the answer keys. That's just the answer for the book, the worksheet, the workbook. And then we got this small books, the readers. So I got a bunch of readers here, including this last one. This one is the thickest one. So you can see it's 4B and 4E. So let's take this out. So these are the readers. And there's more. So these are the readers. I'm just going to do a quick flip through of the book. So this is for the letter E, letter B, Pilgrim's Progress, In His Hands, Once Upon a Story, Song of the Brook, oh, Bible for a Journal. That's nice. So that's nice. You could. That's good. Bible journal. Fables and folk tales. Road Trip West. And the last book is the Gifts and Gadgets. Okay, so that is our flip through and unboxing for grade 4th grade Abeka books. I'm going to be doing another unboxing for the 2nd grade and K4, so you can just look into our channel for the next unboxing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.